In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily fix an opening balance in QuickBooks Online. An incorrect opening balance can throw off all of your reports, so it's important to know how to adjust it properly. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along in your own QuickBooks file. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your screen for the gear icon. This is the main settings menu in QuickBooks. Click on the gear icon, and from the options that appear, choose Chart of Accounts. This is where all of your accounts, like bank accounts, credit cards, and other ledgers, are listed. In the chart of accounts, scroll through the list and find the account that has the incorrect opening balance. This might be a checking account, a savings account, or even a credit card account. Take your time to ensure you're selecting the correct one because you're about to adjust its starting point. Once you locate that account, go over to the Action column on the right side of the screen. There, click on View Register. This opens the account's register, which is basically a list of all the transactions that have been recorded for that account. Now you want to locate the opening balance entry. This is usually the very first transaction in the register, often listed as an opening balance or with a note indicating it's the starting point. If your register is long, scroll all the way to the bottom or adjust the date filter so you can see the earliest transaction. When you find that opening balance entry, click on it to expand the details. In some layouts, you might need to click an Edit option first to fully open the transaction. Once it's expanded, you'll see the amount and the date that were originally entered. Compare this information with your bank statement for the date you started using QuickBooks Online. If the amount or the date doesn't match your statement, carefully change the opening balance amount and, if necessary, adjust the date so it lines up exactly with your bank's records. After you've made your changes, save the transaction. Your opening balance for that account is now corrected, and your future reconciliations and reports should be much more accurate.